Hey everyone, thanks so much for being here. We're super excited to have you back on the channel, beloved and happy. We know it can be a bit unsettling when a guy keeps making those intense eye contact with you. But, if it's that special someone you've got your eye on, well, let's just say, your heart might start racing. On the other hand, if it's not a crush, you might feel a bit awkward or even a bit irritated. But have you ever thought about why a guy might make that long eye contact with you? What could he be thinking? Is he flirting with you? Is he really attracted to you? To understand a guy's actions when he's subconsciously attracted to a girl, you need to understand men's feelings and emotions. But first, what does it mean when a guy makes eye contact? We'll clear this up right at the beginning of this video. Many women confuse simple glances with making eye contact. But the truth is, many men often glance at a woman for a quick moment without any specific reason. That we personally don't consider this as eye contact, and you can't necessarily read a guy's mind based on these fleeting glances. What we mean by intense eye contact is when a guy looks at you for at least 2 to 3 seconds. If this sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. Keep watching this video, and we'll let you in on what your guy is really up to. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Why do men make these long eye contacts? And why does your man do it even when there's no apparent reason? Don't fret, we've got your back. Let's dive into the 4 main reasons why a guy might make that deep eye contact with you. First, he's captivated by your charm. It's in our biology to be drawn to beauty, and that's why most men can't help but look at a woman they find attractive. So, if your guy is really into your beauty, he might start staring at you and making that long eye contact. The more intense his gaze, the more it shows how interested and attracted he is. Point 2. He wants to grab your attention. This is another reason why some guys give deep eye contact to a girl they like. Yes, many guys intentionally look into a girl's eyes just to grab her attention. They feel that they easily get noticed by the woman and that they will surely create a deep impact in her mind. Let's be real, when a guy makes intense eye contact, it's like he's already made a deep impression on you, among all the other men you meet every day. If not, why are you watching this video? A lot of guys feel the same way and intentionally try to make prolonged eye contact, especially with women they're interested in. Point 3. He wants to know if you're into him, and this is like testing the waters. It's a common practice among men, especially when they've known you for a while and are getting closer. So, when your guy looks into your eyes, it's not just about making eye contact. Sometimes, he's just looking for that little sign of interest from you. And when he sees you're into him, it makes him feel great and he keeps showing that he's interested. But if you seem disinterested, he might back off and stop making eye contact with you. Whatever happens. Point 4. He's following the wrong advice and trying to impress you. More and more people are reading dating tips online every day. Thanks to the internet, single men are getting tons of dating advice. Wondering how this relates to his intense eye contact? Let's break it down for you. When you search for dating tips online, you'll find a lot of similar advice, including tips like making eye contact to attract attention. We're not sure if this is actually helpful, but a lot of websites suggest that guys make eye contact to impress girls. In this age of information overload, it's understandable that guys might feel pressure to make prolonged eye contact. They might be trying to impress you and show that they're confident. So, the next time you read online dating tips, take them with a grain of salt. Instead, why not follow our beloved and happy channel? Every piece of advice there is crafted by expert psychologists to help you navigate the complexities of love and relationships. So, we've talked about 4 solid reasons why a guy might be doing that. But here's the thing, what should you do when someone gives you that deep eye contact? Well, it's simple. Just be true to your feelings. If you're not into him, let him know. If you're not interested, it's best to let him know by ignoring him. This will help him move on. On the other hand, if you're interested, it's good to give him a positive response. This can show him that you're interested and that you're open to a relationship. A positive response can be anything, even a simple smile. We would absolutely love to know what you think, so please share your thoughts with us below. We really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again soon.